Hi, and welcome to the TinyTap Game Creation Contest with Open Campus. I'm Thomas Radio, and I'm going to explain to you in 3 easy steps how to sign up, log in, and create your own interactive TinyTap game. Do you think you have what it takes to create the best game to test others' knowledge in Web3? Let's find out. First, go to the TinyTap.com and click Connect in the top right corner. Click Sign Up and fill in your information. Select Open Campus from the user type and connect your wallet. And you're ready to go. Next to the logo, you'll see the Create button. Before we begin, I want to express how important it is to decide what your game is going to be about. I'm doing Intro to Blockchain. On your left, you'll see the sticker icon, web search icon, image icon, and text icon. I'm going to start by uploading an image. My first activity is going to be a video. When you're uploading a video, you can add a YouTube link and it'll appear within the frame. Check this out. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm Thomas Radio, and today we're discussing all things Web3. That's a video where I explain what the concept I'm approaching in this game. The next activity, I'm going to add some art that I had pre-designed. It's important to do so before selecting the activity type. We've got a computer on the left and a network on the right. Next, I'm going to add some text to it. Which picture describes the blockchain? You can change the size of the text and the color. All right, make sure it looks nice, clear, and simple. Next, go to Activity. I'm going to click Record. Here's me recording. Which picture describes the blockchain? Now I'm going to select the correct answer. It's obviously the network on the right. Hit the check mark and you're ready to go. Let's add another slide. For my next slide, I'm going to use the sticker pack to use our creation pack tool. Get a couple balls in there and then move on to the web search for the icons of certain blockchain logos. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance. I think that's a good place to start. Next, using the text tool, I'm going to add my question in. Match each name to the correct cryptocurrency. For this one, I'm going to use a different activity type. But first, I need to label all these icons you see before you. Bitcoin, get it in white. Okay. And I'm going to speed this up a bit. Nice. Now, I'm going to set the activity. It's going to be a puzzle type. I'm going to cut out in a frame all of these answers and move them into the tray below. The user is going to have to arrange them back to the corresponding logo. For the final activity, we're going to use a typing. I'm going to select the area in which the user will need to type and write in the answer. Doing it twice, getting those answers in, and there you go. Great, now that we're done, let's test run this game. Which picture best describes blockchain? Which picture describes blockchain? Easily the right one. Match the names? Look how good I am at this. And finally, the typing, got it in one. And that's it. Now, to publish your game, you'll need to name it, add in all the necessary information, collect the category, and how old the game is meant for. Then you'll receive an email. That's all there is. Now you're ready to create your own game. If you have any questions, reach out via email to web3@tinytap.com. Good luck!